When working with dynamic disks, you have 5 separate options. You have simple, striped, spanned, mirrored, and RAID 5 volumes. Okay. A simple volume is just what it says. It's a simple volume. You start it out on one physical disk. Now, after you've created it, you can extend it to additional disks, but it must be created on a single disk, and it's treated like a simple volume. It has a drive letter, and the data are stored on that disk. Okay. The next we have is a spanned volume, which can exist with space from multiple disks between 2 and 32 physical disks. And it allows you to grab some space from one physical disk, some space from another disk, and it spans multiple disks. That's why it's called a span volume. And span volumes are a great way of utilizing older physical hard drives, older disks that have been mostly used up but have a lot of space left over at the end. So you can create a span volume of all of that extra space. Okay. A striped volume is a way of improving the performance of your read-write time on your disk. And what it is it also can be from 2 to 32 disks, but the data are written across the entire set of volumes in stripes. So if you have 3 disks, then a file is saved across all 3, and then the next time you save it across all 3 and across all 3. And doing this makes it read time faster on managing your disks. The drawback to striped volumes is fault tolerance. If one of those disks in the striped volume fails, you've lost everything. Okay, so an alternative to, or kind of an upgrade in a sense, to striped volumes is a RAID 5 volume. RAID 5 allows you to stripe data across the disks, but it also reserves space for parity checking, so that if one of the disks fails, then with the parity bits, that you can reconstruct the data on the failed disk. So RAID 5 is basically disk striping with fault tolerance in case one of the disks fails. Okay. The last thing that we can do with a dynamic disk is what's called a mirrored volume. And this is simply you've got 2 disks and they're mirrored, so anything that's written to one disk gets written to the other disk. So it adds fault tolerance, but it's really expensive to do. Those are your options. So remember, simple disks, spanned volumes, striped volumes, mirrored volumes, and RAID 5 volumes.